You're watching Sierra Janae. Let's go.
So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No other way, other way. Tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way. No other way,
Hello gorgeous people and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my makeup eye tutorial, which is my cool Glamorous Mirage purple eye makeup tutorial. So let's roll it. Today the Glamorous look is coming from the Mirage palette I picked up from Walmart. First, before we get off into the palette, I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Age Perfect Eye Renewal Eye Cream just to revive my eyes and prepare them for makeup. Up next, I'm using the Milani Make It Last Dewy Finish Setting Spray just to set my eyes and get them all ready for the Mirage eyeshadow. Also, I will be adding the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer to my eyes just to also give me that extra setting so that the eyeshadow can last on my eyes. Now I will be using my favorite brush. It's the bamboo brush, and I also got this from Walmart just to blend in the primer and the setting spray. Today's brushes I will be using on my eyes is the Mata Mythical 6-piece makeup kit, and it also comes with a cute little makeup bag. How cute is this with the glitter and the sparkles? And this is so pretty. It's my favorite color in purple and also pink, and it's the unicorn collection set. Now I'm going to apply some foundation. I'll be using the Dewy Smooth Maybelline New York Fit Me in the shade Toffee Caramel, and I'm going to be blending this in with the complexion brush. I have to say, trying out these brushes for the first time, I'm really enjoying how they really feel on my face and the way they blend really well. So you guys should definitely go check these out at Walmart. Now that I have blended my eyes all in, I'm going to move on to the next brush, which is the Crease Brush. Just giving me that perfect precision, blending in the crease of the eye. And I'm also going to use the Mirage palette shade, which is Outgoing, just to give me some definition in my eyes in the creases. And again, these brushes are incredible. I just love the way they feel. They're so soft. And right now I'm just really blending in the Outgoing shade, which is a beautiful shade. So next up on the palette, I will be using the Chai shade just to lighten up my eyes and just give it that extra glow and brightness. And I will be using the same crease brush just to blend in with the Outgoing shade. And with precision, I like to blend in starting from the inner tear ducts of my eyes and move outward towards the outer creases of my eyes. And I also want to blend the shade underneath my eyes just to lighten and brighten underneath them. Okay ladies, so we're moving on to the next shade. The next shade we're moving on to is the shade Compass. And this shade is so beautiful. It's giving me definition and volume, and I'm going to use this on the outer corners of my eyelids just to give me that extra volume for that glamorous look that I'm going for. So I'm blending this gorgeous brown shade in, starting from the outer corners of my eyelids and then brushing back into the middle of my eyes And then I like to add some more shade onto the brush and then just lightly tap just so I can get more defined on the outer corners. Next, I will be using the Dome Shadow Brush just to give that smooth and gorgeous look, even adding some more on the outer creases of my eyelids. And I will be going in with the Mirage shade Fascinate. You guys, this eyeshadow shows up really well on the eye, and I really like this. It kind of has like a shimmer to it, so I'm going to be using this on the outer creases of my eyelids and even underneath my eyelids, just to give that bold, smoky look underneath. And yes, your girl had to get it. The Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade Light Sand, and I will be using this on my eyelids, just kind of like a cut crease, not too much cut crease, but I will be using this just to add on before I add the purple. I like using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer before I use the purple shade because this is really going to help show up and show out that gorgeous purple that I'm trying to overlay over my eyelids. As you can see, I'm definitely taking my time adding that concealer onto my eye. I just want to make sure that I'm being identical with the other eye and making sure everything is shaped correctly. Oh child, we are finally done with the Tarte Shape Tape. Finally, we're going to go back and use the Milani finishing spray just to set my eyes again, and we're going to add eventually the purple shade. Finally, ladies, I told you I will be moving on to the next shade, which is the Mirage shade. And this is such a gorgeous shade as well. I will be using this and just brushing it over my eyelids, and it also has a shimmer to it. As y'all already know, purple is one of my favorite colors, and as you've seen in the previous clip, this color is such a gorgeous color, and I just want to keep adding and adding as I brush onto my eyelids, over the contoured areas, and just make sure that this really just pops and screams purple. How stunningly beautiful is this gorgeous shade, Horizon? I love it. Now I'm going to use the angle eyeliner brush and go back in with the Horizon shade and just touch up on the little small parts where I missed, and just want to make sure it's very defined, especially in the areas where the Tarte Shape Tape is, and I just want to make sure those areas are being covered up very well. This angle eyeliner brush, y'all, is giving me life. I just really like how easy it is to get in the middle creases. And we're done. Boom. So now we're going to move on to the Mirage shade OMG. And I just really love this color. It's so beautiful with the shimmer of purple. How gorgeous. So I'm going to use my finger and I'm just going to lightly dab it into it, and I really like using my finger because it really allows the pigmentation to come out onto the eyelid. So that's what I'm going to do here, and I'm just gonna press on my eyelid, just making sure that that shade truly shows up. OMG is such a winner for me. I love it. It's such a gorgeous shade, so glamorous, so gorgeous. Okay, this is the fun part. So we're gonna go back with the angle brush and use the shade Nightfall. It just reminds me of the stars at night, like a galaxy, and it's in like a shimmery gold color, and I really love this. And I'm just gonna add this into my inner tear ducts, just lightening and giving that highlighted glow right there. So that's what I'm going to do. Next, I'm going to apply the shade Sunset over Nightfall. This is also a gorgeous color, just inner shimmers of pink, gold, and silver. Next, I will be using the blush brush just to clean up the excess shadow that fell around my eyes and give it a clean look. Now it's time to kick it up a notch with some highlight. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Super Stunner Highlighter Palette, and I'm going to use my little brow brush just to go underneath my brow bone and just highlight and give it some extra glow underneath the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to apply the Wet n Wild H2O Proof Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm going to just apply this to my lash line, just giving you that cute wing effect, just to elongate my eyes and widen them a bit. And this is my first time ever using this eyeliner, so we'll see how it glides on and see how it looks. And to clean up any mess ups or mishaps or what have you, okay, we're going to use the Equate Makeup Remover. Now it's time to apply some lashes, ladies. I will be using the AOA Super Lash Glue that I picked up from Miss A from the mall, and also I will be using the Kiss lashes. So let's get glamorified. I'm not the best at putting on lashes, okay? But as you can see, the look is coming together. Now I'm going to apply the Wet n Wild Mega Length Lash Mascara, and I'm just going to apply this onto my lashes. I really love using the Mega Length Lash Mascara because it allows my original eyelashes to blend well with the faux lashes, and it just really elongates my underlash. I really love this, and it lasts all day. Finally, we are down to the last step. I will be using the Wet n Wild Retractable Eyebrow Pencil, and we're just going to pop on some brows really quick. Now that my glamorous makeup is all done, tell me what you think about my Mirage Glam Purple Eye Makeup tutorial in the comment box down below, and let's take a final look.
Can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet, I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it, what you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. Come on, say something, I wanna hear your voice. Give it all or nothing, the moment's getting lost. Ain't no time for stopping, so show me what you need.
And there you have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed my cool, glamorous Mirage Purple eye makeup tutorial today. I'm not your best makeup artist, but I am getting better, and I hope you guys like to see more videos like these, tutorials like these. And if you'd like to see more, leave a comment down in the box below. And of course, I really enjoyed using this palette today. I picked this up at Walmart, and it's very pigmented, and it's a really great palette to use, especially if you're getting ready, you want to get glammed up. It has those glamorous shades in here. Of course, the OMG is really doing it for my eyes. So go pick this up at Walmart, and continue to subscribe if you're watching my channel. There are more tutorials on the way, and just keep on watching. As always, I want to leave you guys here with some motivational, inspirational quotes, and the quote of the day is, "It's time to let go of the what if, the could be, the waiting, the hoping. It's time to stop chasing and just let go of the mirage." ACM. And that was entitled Mirage. And the definition of a mirage is an optical illusion caused by atmospheric conditions. Y'all, this can be no more clearer. Stop chasing the mirage. Stop thinking ahead and putting these little mirages in your corner or in your mindset. Sis, this is not gonna happen for me. I'm not gonna get that job. I'm not gonna pass that test. I'm just a failure. Quit calling yourself a failure. I had to quit doing that. Just talking in my mind, oh, that's not gonna work, or this or that. In this season, hey, we have to speak over ourselves. We have to declare it. We have to set it up in the atmosphere. We have to shut it down right then and there. Shut those doors of negativity. We're positivity, team positivity over here, sis. I have to speak it into existence, and we can't get in our mindset or look into the future and this mirage setup. That's nothing but the enemy setting up those mirages. So we have to say, hey, I can't see what's going on in the future, but I'm stepping out on faith. And that's what I definitely believe in. Faith in God is going to get me through. So I just want to encourage you, if you have a dream or a goal, or you setting trends, or you're trying to, get your business started, or you're trying to get that audition, that job, speak over yourself. Stop chasing after those mirages. Put it in the past, shut that door, and continue to stay positive. That's all I want to encourage you to do today. And if you like what you see, continue watching me, your girl Sierra Janae, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.